Put a little funk in your vote. Get ready to groove with your graphics. Today, we're turning up the funk as we design a typography that's all about voting with love. It's time to mix some rhythm, add a dash of humor, and create something that'll make everyone smile. Let's dive in and bring the funk to life. Here's my phrase for today: vote with love. The color palette I'm using is right in front of you, vibrant and full of energy to match the funky vibe we're going for. The font I've chosen is called Mont. It's a real beauty, completely fault-free, and super easy to work with. Let's get started.
HLGRAPHICS.
I am at your service. My name is Humaira Laique. Now I start my work. Please watch carefully how I am doing all the work and try to learn from it. There will be many small steps and many tools will be used. Check them out. I've begun by selecting a circle as the foundation of our design. To ensure that the circle remains stationary and doesn't interfere with our work, I will go into the Layers panel and lock it in place. This allows us to focus on crafting our design elements without worrying about accidentally moving or altering the circle. With the circle securely locked, we can now proceed to create our entire design within its boundaries. This approach not only ensures that our design remains neatly contained within the circular shape but also provides a clear visual guide as we work. The circle serves as a framing tool, helping us maintain balance and symmetry throughout the design process. Once the design is complete, the final step involves removing the circle from the composition. By doing so, we'll reveal a clean and well-defined design that stands out on its own, free from any unnecessary outlines or distractions. This technique results in a direct and polished look, highlighting the creativity and precision that went into crafting the design within the circle's confines. In this design, I've carefully chosen a color palette of blue, black, and red to create a striking visual effect. Throughout the process, I'll be employing a variety of tools and techniques in Adobe Illustrator, each contributing to the precision and creativity of the final design. Some of the key tools I'll be using include the Direct Selection tool, Pen tool, Magic Wand tool, Shape Builder tool, Magic Eye, and the coloring box. Additionally, I'll also be incorporating the Eraser tool to refine certain elements. I see. The Pencil tool and Smooth tool are indeed crucial for this design. Without these two tools, achieving the desired level of detail and refinement would have been much more difficult. The Pencil tool allows for freehand drawing, giving you the flexibility to create custom shapes and lines, while the Smooth tool helps to refine those lines, ensuring they are clean and polished. With these tools added to your workflow, along with the others, you've ensured that every aspect of the design is precise and well executed. It's a great reminder of how important the right tools are in bringing a creative vision to life. Illustrator's exceptional capabilities make even the most complex tasks manageable, allowing for seamless execution of intricate designs. Each tool I've selected plays a crucial role in shaping the overall composition, and I've demonstrated these techniques with great skill and attention to detail. I encourage you to watch closely and learn from this process, as it showcases how powerful and versatile Illustrator can be when utilized to its full potential. Now, you'll notice a significant change in the design process. I've unlocked the circle from the Layers panel and increased its thickness to make it more prominent. After expanding it, I'll integrate the circle into the design by connecting it with various alphabets, one by one. This technique will create a cohesive circle effect, where the circle seamlessly interacts with the text, enhancing the overall composition and adding a dynamic visual element to the design. When working on a typography project, it's crucial to consider several key factors to ensure the design resonates with the audience. Start by understanding the vibe or mood of the project, as this will guide your font selection and color choices. The size of the design elements is equally important. Knowing what to emphasize and what to downplay will help in creating a balanced and effective composition. By paying attention to these details, your work is more likely to be appreciated and clearly understood by those who view it. Our design is now nearly complete. To ensure a flawless finish, go through and identify any points where the lines appear uneven or inconsistent. Straighten these areas and adjust the lengths where needed to achieve a balanced and polished look. This final touch will eliminate any errors, leaving the design crisp, clean, and ready for presentation. You might think the design is finished, but it's not quite done yet. I'll be adding a few more elements to make the design even more prominent and unique. These final touches will help it stand out from other designs and make it even more impressive. So, let's dive back in and enhance it further. I would be thrilled if you could take the time to explore my work. I've uploaded numerous videos on typography to my channel, and I would be incredibly happy if you could watch them. Your feedback and appreciation mean a lot to me. I also hope that you'll find something valuable to learn from my tutorials. Please feel free to ask me any questions or share your thoughts on my work. I'm eager to hear your opinions and continue improving. You may have noticed that I've added circles inside the letter though, and introduced some additional colors within both O's. This approach really enhances the design, making it more prominent, while adding a playful, funky vibe. You can try something similar in your designs to make them more vibrant and eye-catching, adding more colors and creative elements for a dynamic effect. See, the design is complete here. You can use it like this, but I will add a grunge and distress texture to it. Now we will use Illustrator. Open the brush library. Go to the brushes panel, and from there we will select a brush called AR District Chalk Charcoal Pencil. Once we have our texture, we will expand it and use it. The grunge or distress effect in Illustrator is a fantastic way to add texture and character to your designs, giving them a rugged, worn-out look that's both stylish and unique. You can achieve this effect by using Illustrator's brush tools, which allow you to create customized, distress patterns directly within your design. However, if you're looking for a specific texture or want to save time, you can easily find and download pre-made grunge or distress brushes from Google. Applying these effects on your designs can add a layer of depth and interest, transforming a simple graphic into something visually striking and beautifully imperfect. I look forward to your questions and your comments. Best practices for exporting your designs for various platforms. Join us as we explore the tools and tricks that will help you unleash your creativity and create eye-catching typography that stands out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tutorials and tips.